Manipur da thokliba irang asiga mari leinana kumjale singani ga kunga humdoi da semkiba inquiry committee gi report tha taruk ki manung da lankhatna ba khanghan khraba sunga si kumjale singani ga kunga taruk yauraba fauba government of India na irang asi loishin ba ngamjiba karigino haina Lok Sabha gi member Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na house ta thakre ngasi pangthoki ba parliament mifam gi zero award da wafam asi pukhaladuna mahangna hai Manipur da thokliba irang asigi manung chana kuki khutlai paiba singna mayang lamam rishikanta koba micham ama point blank ta nongmaina kaptu Hatki, Mayang Lamam Risikanta na makutlona duna mahaki punsikan binaba, kuki kutlay paiba singa duda hijaki, adumoy namag, mahak minung silayta na hatok piki, mahang na kutlona duna hijaki ba du masama tantagin natte haibase, ay ko'y kudingmak na kang batangay fade, mahak na lona kiba kut adu iranga sinamaram oiraga, victim o heuraba kudingmak kini, mahang na kutlona kiba du imfal da hatok piki ba nupi ani amadi jiribamda, angang yaw na miyoy taruk hatok piki ba amadi iranga sinamaram oiraga, achumba wayal fanghan binaba ngay riba kudingmak ki mahud silibane mayang lamam risikanta na khutlona duna hijakiba du relief camp thalayriba IDP sing lamdam asigi national highway sing amadi airport ta ayet apan yaudana tatok sasin tawba fangdriba miyam gi saruksu yauribane house asina Manipur gi irang asigi matang da kupna khanaduna Manipur miyam da achumba wayal fanghanbagi tangai fadaba lei government of India na Manipur asi leibak asigi state ama oina uba ngamdabagi mami tariba si laibak thibane state ama oibagi midyang adu India na mapung phana yengbiu haina su house ki khuthangda mahakna mari lainaba singi pungning singsimki
Rishikanta's folded hand is also asking the government of India, do not treat Manipur as a vassal state of an empire. It is a state, a unit of the Union of India. Please do not forget. The government of India is treating as if it is another vassal state of an empire called the Indian state. It should not be done. Justice is required. You have an inquiry committee instituted which is supposed to submit its report within 6 months in 2023. Now this is 2026. Why is that the government of India is scared to fix responsibility for this violence? That pleading hand of Risikanta represents the pleading hands of hundreds and thousands of people who are asking for justice in our state. Thank you, Madam Chairperson.